Okay, so hey everybody, this is my mini pocket letter that I'm working on. So a mini pocket letter is only 3 pockets. So I'm calling this one Flower Power. So I found this really cool tape with flowers on it. That's how I got this idea. And then I found these really cool sparkles at Walmart. It's this huge, like this small pack, and it's tightly packed. And then when I opened it, it's just full of sparkles. Look at these things. Like, look at this. This is at Walmart. This was like $3, and it's solid sparkles, all different shapes, colors, butterflies, stars, suns. Yeah, I think it's awesome. So you see this at Walmart? Just pick it up. It's like $2.99 Canadian. So yeah, so I am making flowers. See, we got leaves and flowers in here. So yes, this is the start of my Flower Power pocket letter. Okay, so I got the front done here, and then I'm in the back of it. Just show you without making a mess. Ah. So yeah, so I put a T in here. Then I got a couple of stickers and a post-it, thing of post-its, and then I got these flowers here, the plaid ones. They stick in the back, so they're stickers. And then I made it like a glitter pocket. So I put some more of the glitter pieces that I used, and I put some gemstones in there, and then I'm just going to seal it up. So I sealed it up so nothing should come loose when it's shipping. And then I'm also going to include these really cool gemstone stickers that I found. Very purpley, very flower powery-ish. So yeah, so I'm just going to seal that up. So yeah, I just tied it up. And all I have to do is write a nice little note, and it's ready to go. So that is my mini Flower Power pocket letter.